Hello, and welcome back to this week's video. So right now I am ready to transform this look that I'm wearing into a nighttime look. So for today, I basically just had concealer, I had blush, my lips, and foundation, my eyebrows, a little bit of eyeshadow. I've been loving brown eyeshadows, but in today's video, I'm also going to be showing you guys a super quick recipe. It's not really like a recipe, but it's something very yummy that I got at Trader Joe's that I customized. And I also wanted to talk to you guys about some products that were sent to me by Kiehl's. I love Kiehl's, so I'm excited to tell you guys. Let's start with the eyes. I am going to be using the same palette that I always use. This has been with me for years, and I use this on my channel all the time. When I travel, when I go somewhere, if there's only one palette that I could take for my eyes, is this one. It's retired, and yeah, this is like the best palette in the world if you have brown eyes. So I'm gonna start with the 224 by MAC. I'm using this shade right here. This is a brown, and it's so beautiful. So when you're doing a nighttime look, you can intensify the colors a little bit more. And if you're starting out with makeup, I suggest that you start using a blending brush to apply your shadows so that it's easier for you. Like, it's gonna make your routine so much faster, and you really can't go wrong with it. And then because of my eye shape, I always like to extend the eyeshadow, and if I notice that it's too low, I'll go in with concealer. So now that I'm doing my makeup, I want to talk to you guys about the Kiehl's products that were sent to me. So the first one that I want to tell you guys about is the Ultra Facial Hydrating Concentrated Cleansing Bar. And the good thing about it is that you can use it on your face, and you can use it on your body if you want to take care of your body as well. So, you know, whenever we see celebrities and they have like this amazing skin, it's because like they also give their bodies TLC. The second product that I wanted to tell you guys about is I can't pronounce this word, but it's a calming and soothing concentrated cleansing bar. It's comforting formula with up to 100 real, there goes the word again, petals for natural to oily skin. And then the first one that I told you guys about, I didn't mention that, but it's for all skin types, and it includes sensitive skin. And then lastly, I want to tell you guys about the Rare Earth Deep Pore Purifying Concentrated Cleansing Bar. This is an exfoliating formula with Amazonian white clay and bamboo powder. And this is for oily skin types. And each of them are 100 grams. And one of the reasons why I love Kiehl's so much is because their products, I don't know, they have like the best ingredients and they don't break me out. And for me, that's a huge plus. So now I'm gonna use a more precise brush so that I can give my crease a little bit more of dimension. But I need this night for the last time. Stay. So my eyes are really not hooded, but if you have hooded eyes, a trick that you can do is that when you apply the light shadow, what you can do is that you apply the color like right there, and then you bring it upward. So like from here, I love to highlight this area, and then here. I already have mascara, but you would do this before mascara. And these are my lashes. Like, I haven't used Latisse in a while. I got this during the Black Friday sale. This is the Age Rewind Concealer. For blush, I am going to be using this one. This is in the shade 71 Malice. I'm going to gently dab it. Have everything. Like, I don't contour. I'm going to be lining my lips with this old Ulta eyeliner that I got. Here, this is by Becca, a collab that I did. Check it out on Instagram. I don't really like how it looks like on its own, so I always go in with a gloss. And this is Bonbon. We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old war.
like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
So thank you so much for your time and for watching. My name is Marianela. If you're new, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. I upload videos here on YouTube twice a week. I upload about beauty, fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And I also do recipes, which I know a lot of you like. I am going to be linking down below some of the playlists that I have so that you can check them out. I also want to mention that I have a new playlist called Mind and Soul Makeover so that you can feel your best, attract the best energy into your life, and just attract the things that are meaningful and that provide value to you. I hope that this video helped you in some way or another, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
No, you're gone.